Hello students. In the previous Java MySQL CRUD project, employee project, we discussed and implemented some of the CRUD operations. And now, after having done that one, you can perform these operations if you are working on a real project. And what all you will need when you will work on real projects. So here, first of all, you need to get user input for employee details. So whatever employee is coming up in the organization, you need to get all his details. And not only that, you will have to get the information, that is first. And once you have entered all these information, then you will have to show it time and again when you need it. And if any on your own needs, and sometime the if organization is looking for these information, employee information, then you will have to use the second option. And in the second option, you will have to make some programs on this. Then, they onward, when when you are getting entered these information, you will have to make a provision in your program for applying validation, because wrong data entry will create a lot of problem. So here you need to check out name, whether the name is is correct. Blank name should not be there. Number should not appear in that one. And then you will have to check out for the age as well. If any employee joining the organization, his age must be more than 18 years or equal to 18 years. And you will have to check out for qualification as well, for the required post, whichever designation you are going to provide him. You will have to look out in that area as well. Date of birth should be entered as a 8 digit, as you know, like if it is 1st of January 0101, then 2025. So like this, you need to check out. So validation is a key point in data entry. So not only these fields, there can be so many other fields as as you are entering your employees information. Then next comes out, check whether employees photograph or images are attached. You will have to have data of those as well, those images or either photograph. If that file is not there, you will have to show that photograph is not attached. Like this your program should check all these things. Then after this, see when you are entering, you are getting entered entered of an employee information, then here you will have to generate the employee number automatically as defined by the organization. Here I have set it as that you can take a prefixed character like E and then 4 digits, E1001, E1002, like that. So you need to have a good validation on this. If it is wrong or the number generation is not automatic, here you will have to here you will have to look out inside of it, whether whether your logic is perfectly working or not working. So you need to validate this as well. Then in the sixth number, enter data only in uppercase, set as validation. So because sometime we need that all the data should be in similar kind of cases, like uppercase or lowercase. But lowercase is not preferred much for employees and thing, so you can put it in uppercase. But here again, whenever the name, text field, wherever the text fields are, you need to apply this validation as well before saving the data, whether it is updation or it is deletion, or it is whether it is updation or a new entry. So insertion, as if you are applying all these things in your MySQL or SQL Server, in any other databases. Then next comes out, updation should validate employee number. Now when you are entering information about any employee, because employee number will be a key, primary key, unique key. So please validate it, and once it is matching with the database entries, then only update the information. And if it is not matching, then you need to flash a message that this is not matched. So here these are the entries part, and these are the validations which will be required time and again. And then one more thing is coming up: deletion should not change employee numbers sequence. Apply validation. So here also you will have to keep in mind, if employee number sequences have been generated, now those employee number, if any employee is getting deleted, please, that should not be, neither should be issued to anybody until unless administrator's authorization is coming up, or nor that should be that should, I mean, new number should generate. That means new number should generate only after the last number. So that also should be kept in mind. So here, if you want to work on a project, Java MySQL project, so you need to start with all these at the beginning stage, and once you are done with that, this one, then your project will be moving to the next stage. So you can try out whichever questions were possible related to this. Those I have mentioned here. And if you need any kind of help, or if you have any problem, please feel free to be in touch. Thank you very much for seeing this, please.